everyone, I'm here at the New Zealand and Malaysia Education Fair 2025 with RBS Intellect Cambodia, and today I will be taking you to see what is going on inside. So let's go and let's start. Since there are so many students here, let's ask one student about what they think about this event today. Let's go. Oh, hi, can I ask you something? What's the most helpful thing that you've learned from today's event?
Well, the most helpful thing that I learned from today is that there are so many opportunities to study in both Malaysia and New Zealand, and especially the services here, they are free. So it really helps me and my family because we're not able to afford a lot, but it really makes me happy that I can get a chance to study in New Zealand, my dream country, by the way.
So now we will be asking the organizer about some few questions about this event. So hi, can I ask you something? Why do you think this event is important for us Cambodian students?
It's important because you need to plan for your future, and here we have New Zealand and Malaysia, which are considered one of the safest countries to study in. Not only that, it's very important because these universities are here to give options for the students. So ask as many questions, and the offer letters are free. So we don't charge, and that is very important. Our consultancy is free. You can ask for 3, 4, 5 offer letters and then make a decision.
Oh my god, today has been a long day and I've met so many people, students, teachers, parents, and university reps, all here to help us and represent their universities from New Zealand and Malaysia. And don't worry if you missed this event. RBS Intellect Cambodia has more to come. Make sure to follow their page to get more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.